北大街。Hello from Xi'an. I just checked in the hotel and I'm going out to venture, even though I'm quite tired because I have like less than 12 hours before I go back to the train station and head to the next destination. And originally I wanted to go to this place called Datang Everbright City, but apparently it's really cold tonight. And it was really cold in the train station, but I think the city is a bit better because we are surrounded by buildings, so there's not much wind, but it's like 0 to 1 degree Celsius, so I'm not really in the mood to go to Datang Everbright City because apparently there's a lot of like, it's like a outdoorsy like walking street, and you have to pay I think 100, I can't remember, 100 yuan to actually look at the performances, and it's already quite late at night. It is 9:50 right now because it took me quite some time to get find the metro to get to this place and then find the hostel. It's quite difficult because the sign is quite small. Oh my god, crossing the road. So I'm heading to the Muslim quarter right now as I want to try their lamb dishes. This is a very pretty theatre, and they also have the Phantom of the Opera coming soon in January. So pretty. What place is this? But I suspect it's like a food walking street. Try to find some food to eat over here. This Jinzhong is the famous one here over here. So it's steaming hot, as you can see, and it's coated with rose jam, I think. It's actually tapioca. Like in Malaysia, we have something similar. So this one I think is usually all yellow, but this is like half purple, half yellow. So I'm not sure whether it's like half taro and also half tapioca, but it just tastes like the tapioca cake that's available in Malaysia. It's okay. I paid 3 yuan for it, about 2 ringgit. I was expecting it to be sweet, but it's actually quite tasteless. So Xi'an, it's famous, very famous for its food, and I will try to stuff myself as much as possible with Xi'an dishes in the next 12 hours. A lot of Muslims in Xi'an, so I guess this place is halal, or you can easily find halal food around. To be honest, I was actually looking for the Muslim quarter, and I'm not sure whether I found the right place, but I think this is it. It's like a lot of food around, so I found it by luck because nothing is available on Google. 要一个这个小的。
这个是普通优质，大小是一样的。
这个不是大的，这个小的不是。
不分大小。
哦，要一个吧。 you can try this bao mo yang the lamb meat bao mo. It's doughy bread inside this noodle soup. And it's super yummy. It's not like something that I've ever tried before. So it's quite delicious and I highly recommend it. This is like a 10 yuan shop. Let's go check it out. A lot of people lining up for this. Let's go see what is it. Good morning from the Terracotta Warriors. So it's 8:24 a.m. right now and I'm waiting for 8:30 for the gates to open. So this is the ticket office and I think that's the entrance, so I'm walking over there. Not sure if we need to line up, but I think there's like a queue over there right now. So I'm gonna head over there because it's gonna open in 5 minutes and I'm gonna rush all the way in. I was watching a few YouTube videos. Apparently you can get a shuttle bus instead of walking, which I hope I can do that so that I can get ahead of the crowds. Getting the buggy card. So over here is Yuan at this ticket counter. Cash in the end because the app was loading too long. Now let's head over there. Getting the buggy card so I can get ahead of all the other tourists. Excavation is still going on. The excavation of pit 1 has not been completed. The work is still going on. No photo. Not sure why, but gonna be a bit of a rebel. so amazing. Look at the design. It's a horse and carriage. At first I was like, what image is that? Is that like a Christmas Santa Claus kind of image? But no, it's the Terracotta Warriors horse carriage. Interesting. See down there, still a lot of restoration project being done. That's why it's covered in plastic. And it has been discovered since 1974, 50 years ago, and it's not complete yet, the excavation work. Even though right now the color of the warriors is like pottery, muddy brown, but it used to be painted in colors. The color remains of the pottery figure. I can't see any, but apparently. Today it's super bright and sunny, and I finished all 3 pits in like 70 minutes, like 1 hour-ish. So I think I'm heading back to town. Coming in and I'm heading out. Yay! This is one of the exits, and there's like a food place over here. So I will try and find food to eat because I'm a bit hungry. Decided to eat at this restaurant before going back to town because they have the dishes that I want, which is Biang mian, and maybe I will also order this one. It's the Biang mian. They are known for their white noodles, and I. It tastes very light with tomato flavor. Apart from the noodles being very white, to be honest, I don't think there's anything special about it. Let's try the roll. It's quite nice. It's super flaky and crispy. Recommend this one. I couldn't finish it. There's too much dough and I'm really full already. So I'm gonna head back to town. McDonald's here, so don't be worried if you don't like Chinese food. Jinzhong Grand Theatre. I think that's where they do their musicals and show, which almost every tourist location I've been to, they have their own musical and performances. The street here is massive. I cannot even find the exit. There's even Pizza Hut and KFC everywhere, so don't worry about not having Western food. Western food is everywhere in China. Big halal logo for all my Muslim friends. A bus here that takes you to the Mausoleum of the first Qin Emperor at Li Shan Park, but I am not going for this one. I'm going back to town.
这次轻松。